Hi, so I just wanted to do a quick video talking about what my 2014 reading goals are. Now, I've never done a reading challenge or anything like that. I don't know, I just never have. I've never even really kept track of my reading before the last couple of months. But it's been fun, so I want to do this. I may not actually accomplish this, but I would like to try, and then maybe every month in my wrap-up say where I am in that, and then at the end of the year go over how well it went. So the first thing is I would like to read 100 books in the whole year. This means I have to average somewhere between 8 and 9 books a month. And I know most people usually do a 50-book reading challenge, but I feel like I read more than that as a general rule. So I think 100 books should be fine. Obviously, if I don't do it, I don't do it. Whatever. It happens. And then I have 5 sub-challenges, I guess. So the first one is that I want to read at least 5 big books. And to me, a big book is more than 500 pages. So that's that plan. The next is that I want to complete at least 10 series. So this can be like starting a new series and finishing it, or finishing a series like The Mortal Instruments, which I've started, but I obviously haven't finished it. I mean, the books all aren't out yet. Or like I said, it can be something new, like Delirium, which I haven't read. And I'm actually going to be doing videos where I go more in depth of what my plan is for each of these for not all of them, but most of these categories. The next thing is I want to try at least 5 new authors. I feel like I kind of get in a rut. I stick with the same authors over and over and over again, and I kind of want to branch out, so I figure this challenge will help me. Next is I want to reread at least 5 books. So I love rereading, but I have so many books on my TBR shelf. I feel like I've been avoiding rereading, but that's something I really enjoy doing. So I want to make a point of doing it in the new year, just to be a part of those worlds again, especially since a lot of the books I'm looking to reread are books I haven't read in several years. And the last one is that I want to read at least 5 classics. Now this, I have no idea what I'm going to read. I'm probably going to read at least one Jane Austen, but after that I have no idea what I should do. So if you have any suggestions for good classics, let me know in the comments, because I'm just not, nothing's jumping to my, the top of my head for this. I was an English major in college, so I've read a lot of classics, but that still doesn't help. And just in case you're wondering, I do know I don't like Charles Dickens, so, I mean, if you really like a Charles Dickens, you can recommend it, and maybe I'll check it out. Maybe I'll like that one. I don't know. But those are my goals for 2014. Stay tuned for the other videos where I go more in depth on some of these challenges I've set for myself. Thanks for watching. Bye!